by Chappy. Just kidding, that's a nod to my good friend and Canadian paisano, Jerri-ellen. Go check out her channels. She always says, it is I, Jerri-ellen, at the beginning of Cooking with Neighbors, Jerri-ellen. I'll put the links in the bottom in the description. She has two channels. She's got a new channel up and running, Life at Home with Jerri-ellen. And then her main channel is Cooking with Neighbors, Jerri-ellen, where she does a lot of collabs, and she's an excellent cook and baker and just a wonderful person. So give her a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So go tell Jerri-ellen that Chappy sent you. Alright, so we got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is a Jamaican drink. It's called This Rum Thing. No, it's not. It's called This Rum Ting because it has a Jamaican soda. So I should probably pronounce it with a Jamaican accent. This Rum Ting, man. So correction on that, it's called This Rum Ting. So it's just a very simple drink. I got a short glass. I'm just going to pour it over ice. I got a shot of white rum. So that's just white rum. Classic drink is the Loin Ting. This I'm going to add a kiss of lime. My lime's not very juicy today, but that's fresh lime. And then, of course, because it's this Rum Ting, I have all the way from Jamaica, man. All right, that's going to be a very refreshing, nice umbrella with a lime wedge as a garnish. So coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out. Oh, and don't forget to check out Jerri-ellen. Again, both her channels are down in the description. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's back in Calgary, but Fred has joined me for appetizers today. So today I have purple pork loin sliders. See here how I made them. Alright, I'm going to do my purple pulled pork sliders. I got these lovely purple buns. I got them at the Asian grocery store. They're just made from purple yams. Look at that beautiful color. And then I got some nice pork medallions. I'm going to try to make them purple. So I'm going to sous vide them with beet juice from my pickled beets. Going to get that sous vide up to 165. And probably throw them on the barbecue once they get up to temp. Alright, I'm just going to put the beet juice in the Ziploc bag. This can really stain a lot of stuff. And I got these nice big thick pork medallions. So we'll do 3 of them. They got a little bit of butcher string on there to hold them together. Alright. Alright, so I'll leave the top of the bag open just to get the air out. we need a drink to go with our purple pork loin sliders, so I'm going to make a martini style drink. This is called The Last Word. I got it from my trusty bartender's guide. So I have my martini shaker. And we'll add a little ice. And it calls for a 1/2 ounce of gin. Got some Tanqueray today. And a 1/2 ounce of maraschino. This is a cherry liqueur from Italy. And it says a 1/2 ounce of chartreuse. I have green chartreuse. You can also get yellow chartreuse. It didn't really specify in the bartender's guide. So that's a 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse. And a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. I just have a half lime here. And we'll give that a shaky. And I'm going to strain that into my martini glass. And that's a last word to go with my purple pork loin sliders. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.